Hi there, this is Jonathan from Joy Group, and today we are in Foshan in this huge factory that produces toilets and sinks. I will show you different types of toilets and different types of design, so follow me, let's go.
Now we can see all the toilets body before glazed were separated from the plaster mode, and the whole workshop is under the thermostatic and humidity condition. That can keep the toilets moisture constant and not easy to dry.
As you can see, for you to produce high quality toilets, you need to have them thoroughly checked. So it's checking for any bubbles and any errors, and he needs to clarify them and correct them right here. Okay, so this is the stage where the toilets are being cleaned, and also just making sure that they're really smooth so that they can be taken to the next stage. Behind me is this high-tech robot, which also has helped us produce more toilets. So what is happening here is the toilets are now being sprinted with glaze and then moved on to the next section. Very good. So this is the outcome after being sprinted by glaze. The glaze helps when you're cleaning the toilet. It's easily cleaned when you have glaze applied on them. So the next step is, after the toilet's been sprayed with glaze, they're about to enter into this furnace, which is burning at 1280 degrees Celsius. Let's go and see the outcome.
Now the toilets are being prepared to be taken to the tunnel plant.
After going through the tunnel clean, as you can see now, the toilet is starting to look like the ones that we see daily. It's very shiny and beautiful. So as I was saying, it's burning at 1280 to get this beautiful product in good shape.
Toilet flushing fittings is like the heart of the toilet. Quality checking workers are installing the flushing fittings of the toilet and carefully checking them one by one. Each toilet needs to undergo a pipe vacuum suction test to ensure that the toilet is flushing with the assistance of up pressure and down pressure suction power.
To produce high quality toilets, you need to check them to make sure that everything is working well. As you can see behind me, each and every toilet is being checked to make sure that it flushes the way it's supposed to. Finally, the toilets have been packed in a box, and also we had these foams that help them be protected from any damages while it's being transported. Thank you very much for following me around today in this huge factory that is producing these toilets and sinks. So if you have any inquiries, please leave them at the comment section and our sales team will get in touch with you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs like.